Can you solve this Olympiad problem before I do? Let's race. Questions have given x times x over x plus x is equal to 6. Okay. Or x times x is x square times x is x cube over x plus x is 2x plus x is 3x is equal to 6. Or here we can use cross multiplication, so we will get x cube is equal to 6 times 3x is 18x. Or now taking this 18x to left side, we will get x cube minus 18x is equal to 0. Or now taking common x, here we will get x square minus here we will get 18 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x is equal to 0 and x square minus 18 is equal to 0. Now here x not is equal to 0. It is cannot possible, so it is rejected. And here we can write x square minus this 18 can be written as 3 square root of 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, because this is a perfect square. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x plus 3 square root of 2 times x minus 3 square root of 2 is equal to 0. Now again here we can write x plus 3 square root of 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 square root of 2 is equal to 0. Now taking this positive 3 square root of 2 is right side, we will get the value of x1 is equal to negative 3 square root of 0. And similarly, taking this negative 3 square root of 2 is right side, we will get the value of x2 is equal to 3 square root of 2. So there are two values of x. Now check. Questions have given x times x over x plus x is equal to 6. X times x over x plus x is equal to 6. And here x times x over x plus x is equal to 6. Or here x is equal to negative 3 square root of 2, so we can write here negative 3 square root of 2 times negative 3 square root of 2 times negative 3 square root of 2 over negative 3 square root of 2 negative 3 square root of 2 negative 3 square root of 2 is it equal to 6. Or now we know that negative times negative is positive, positive times negative is negative, so we can write here negative 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and here we can write a square root of 2 square times a square root of 2 over 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, negative 9 square root of 2 is it equal to 6. Or now this negative cancel out this negative, so here we will get 27 times this square cancel out this square root of 2, so here we will get 2 times square root of 2 over 9 times square root of 2 is it equal to 6. Now 9 divided by 27, it will be 3. This cancel out this, so 3 times 2 is 6, so we can write here 6 is equal to 6. And here same thing, here x is equal to 3 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2 over 3 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2 is equal to 6, or 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27 times square root of 2 whole square times square root of 2 over 9 square root of 2 is equal to 6. So finally here we will get 6 is equal to 6. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.